kind of creeps up on you and you don't realize it, especially having to drive some of those county roads in the morning. Some of those roads could become washed out. You might not be able to see the roads being washed out or the bottom of the standing water on the roads. So that's something we're going to have to watch because we've seen so much rain over the last couple of weeks. Now, on that point, with how saturated the ground is, we're also seeing the issue with, 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts that could possibly knock over trees. So lots of hidden dangers with this next round of storms that we have, and that's exactly why I do have the wind and the flash flooding threat, the highest threats, at a medium. Now, the hail and the tornado threat, they are very low at this time. I don't anticipate we're going to see a lot of warnings that are warranted from large hail and tornadoes tomorrow morning, but the main time frame for these storms will be between 4 o'clock tomorrow morning and 10 o'clock. So by the late morning hours, our severe weather threat should be done. It's a slight risk of severe weather highlighted in the yellow there. Again, quarter-sized hail, maybe up to quarter-sized hail. That would be the highest hail size that I could see happening. But as we look at this disturbance in Oklahoma, this is continuing to move off to the south and to the southeast. And this is what we will be watching over the next several hours. And that's why we have storms in the forecast tomorrow morning. But between now and midnight, I don't expect much of anything. Maybe a few breaks in the clouds. Temperatures aren't going to budge very much, and we're not going to see storms through even 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. But as we move into about 4, that's when we could start to see some lightning off to our north. You can see along the Red River, there's the leading edge of the storms. 5 o'clock, seeing some storms near Winnsboro, Gilmer, and Linden. By 6 o'clock, Tyler, Longview. That's when the storms will begin to arrive in our central counties. By 7 o'clock, Jacksonville, Henderson, seeing the leading edge of the storms. And we might see some storms behind that initial line, but by tomorrow afternoon, most of the storms have moved to the south. A couple of factors, this round of storms moving through in the early part of the morning. That helps us. Unfortunately, we've got temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s with dew points in the 70s as you see on your screen right here. So plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, and we still have quite a bit of potential energy with how warm our temperatures are. And we won't fall that much further. We're only down to 74, decent chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning, and then 90 for tomorrow afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms expected in the morning. So the best thing you can do is give yourself plenty of time to get into work tomorrow. And if you don't have to go to work, I would not travel. I'd stay indoors tomorrow morning with these storms moving through. Lower 90s Thursday and Friday. Isolated showers and thunderstorms for the weekend and early next week. Highs will be in the 80s and 90s. And then as we look at deep East Texas, it's still an active weather pattern, but I'm really hoping and praying that we do get that breather Thursday and Friday where we will be dry. Still hot and humid though with those highs in the 90s. Casey, Isaac.
All righty, thank you, Carson.